Hey guys, it's Black Knight. I'm watching. Actually, Black Knight Gamer. Sorry, I'm watching Duck Dynasty, and right now I'm going to do a race quit on Cat Mario. I've not played this, but my friend John said it should be fun, so I'm going to start it off anyways. There's only like one level. Okay, got 3 lives. Seems simple enough. Yeah. Okay, there I am. This is Cat Mario. I have no idea what. Okay, I'm moving. Hey, aha, gotcha. Got 2 and oh. This game's a douche. Can't get through this hole. Wow. Whoa! This is kind of, whoa. Hang on. What the? I died? But I can't, wow, that sucks. I didn't kill them. This sucks. Okay. I'm just going, no. Ah! Huh. Doesn't give me points. Ah, I almost forgot about that guy.
Watching my Uncle Si tell a story about football, that was my sport. It's a lot like watching the Super Bowl on TV. The game itself is only a small part of it. This is not going to start on a football.
What? I didn't even jump on him!
It always starts with some pre-game hype.
I only full zoom it. Okay, that's Cat Mario full zoomed. Let's just... What the... Let's try this again. Negative lives? He's got... I don't know who made this. I didn't even touch him! That farther than I died! Oh my gosh, negative 3 lives! Oh! What the hell? I came out.
Your mouth.
Then you got your commercial break. After the salt, we'll get rid of the practice. If you got a bad gang, let's play for it. Then you get it. Is it big gang? It's something big money? It's like a magic formula. I'm telling you. Then before you know it, the game's back. The little guy catching it and getting killed. Whoa! Oh yeah! Game over. 77 to 14. Si, have you done anything today? No.
I didn't touch him. Okay, negative 6 lives. I'm just going to do this till negative 9 lives.
Toasters.
2 more lives.
You got one with me on it, Will?
Are you arguing about toasters over there? Okay. These guys on Duck Dynasties are... No. What? These controls on the computer suck. Okay, last life. And I'm done. Oh, Junkia! Oh, no!
And I always go the extra mile to make sure Jeff never starts to feel more.
This game sucks. No, screw it. See? Cat Mario's gone. That is serious BS. Plus, that's me. In my brother's head. Yeah, we were just having fun that day. Anyways, I give Cat Mario as an indies game 1 out of 5. So, see ya, peace. That was Cat Mario, and we will see you next time on Rage Quit. Everyone does that now. Don't blame me.